Hey guys, and welcome to my channel Gustography. In this video I'm going to do a repot with this Hoya ovata. It's grown quite massive, like it has trails all over the place, and it just needs to be repotted. I'll show you how much roots it has overgrown. It has so much roots, like it's crazy to see how much roots it has. You see, it needs to be repotted. Something that I want to specify though is that if you want your Hoyas to bloom, to produce flowers, wax flowers, let your Hoyas get root bound, because that's what encourages them to produce more flowers. But I now just want more leaves, because see, the tendrils are like, they don't have much leaves. They're like empty. You can see the tendrils are just really like bare. So I want this Hoya to grow more tendrils, but to grow them with leaves. So I'm going to go ahead and do a repot. So in the next clip, I'm gonna be going outside and I'm gonna be repotting this plant, and I'm gonna be repotting this, and I'm gonna be recording with my phone. So stay tuned. Okay, so I'm gonna be using this little canister, and that's my mom singing. So I'm gonna use this little canister. It has some cocoa husks. I don't know what this is, but my mom uses this for her plants and it seems to work. And I'm also gonna put in the rest of this. This has worm casting. Okay guys, so it has a ton of roots. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put the Hoya in here, and I'm just gonna let the roots just take over the pot. Since I don't think I'm gonna be repotting this Hoya anytime soon. I'm not gonna be repotting this Hoya anytime soon. So I'm just gonna, what I'm gonna do is I have my soil mixture over here, and I'm just gonna place it in here. See, it's very full of cocoa husks. It has some nice perlite. These chunks are great for the Hoyas because they love to attach themselves. It feels like they're on a tree. So I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna put more. Because I don't want to disturb the roots. So now I'm just gonna put the Hoya right in there. Like that, and then I'm gonna put in more soil, I guess, on the sides at this soil here, and I'm just gonna cover the rest of the Hoya. Okay guys, so this is how the Hoya ended up. So it's still in its nursery pot, but it's inside this basket, and you can see right there. But I just put in the cocoa coir and the perlite, the cactus mix, the potting mix, and this is where I have it. So it's not gonna produce any more peduncles, but as you guys can see, it has peduncle here, peduncle there, it has another peduncle right here, it has another peduncle over here, and where else? It has peduncle right here, peduncle right there. Okay, so it's a little bit dark in here, but this is how the Hoya looks in its pot, in its new home. And I did not disturb the roots, which I was kind of scared to do. You see there's more light over here, but yes, you can definitely see that. It's not in best condition. It got some sun scorched, but that's fine. So we'll see how this goes. All right guys, so this is the Hoya. Home under the lemon tree.